How's it going, guys? My name is Jacob Wingate. Today we're going to take a look at the Rolls-Royce Trent 800. We'll first start off with a general description. The Trent 800 is a high bypass turbofan engine and originally is certificated in 1995. Rolls-Royce built it with the intention of being put on the Boeing 777s. At first they had a hard time selling these, but they finally got their first orders from Singapore Airlines, followed not too long by American Airlines and Delta. And today it's flown on 41% of Boeing 777s. If we're going by the numbers here, the max thrust on the Trent 800 is 93,000 pounds of force. It's got a thrust weight ratio of 5.6 to 1, and the engine itself weighs 16,500 pounds, with a length of 172 inches and a fan diameter of 110 inches. Let's take a look at the components. It's a 3-shaft, high bypass ratio turbofan engine with an 8-stage IP compressor, 6-stage HP compressor. The combustors are a single annular combustor with 24 fuel injectors. The turbines are a single-stage HP turbine, a single-stage IP turbine, and a 5-stage LP turbine. The Trent 800's only had one real mechanical issue, and that was British Airways Flight 38. On January 17, 2008, a British Airways Boeing 777 was flying from Beijing to London when it lost power on both Trent 800 engines on short final approach. It ended up being due to the formation of ice crystals in the fuel lines that ended up restricting the fuel flow and shutting the engines off. Now the airplane crashed just short of the runway and had 0 fatalities, thankfully. And Rolls-Royce improved the fuel oil heat exchanger as a way to prevent this from ever happening again. And that pretty much does it. Thank you very much and have a good one.